Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Mr. Kovold and today we are going to do another example problem in this video of how to use molar volume in stoichiometry. So if you have a balanced equation, if you recognize that you are under standard temperature and pressure, then you can use molar volume. So remember, molar volume is the volume of 1 mole of any gas. And under STP, standard temperature and pressure, which is temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and pressure is 1 atmosphere, under those conditions, 1 mole of any gas is equal to 22.4 liters, and you can use it as a conversion factor. That recognizing that will actually help you work a problem more quickly and easily than you would if you don't recognize it. But you can still solve the problem using the ideal gas law. But if you recognize that you're under STP, then you can save yourself a couple of steps. Okay, so in this problem, again, we have the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen forming vapor, water vapor. And so in this case, again, what I always say is that the question in the problem always tells you where to begin, or I shouldn't say always, 99% of the time it tells you where to begin and where to end. Okay, so the beginning of the question tells you the ending of the problem. So how many liters of oxygen? That's the beginning. That's where you're going to end. So we want to end at liters of oxygen. But where are we going to begin? So you keep reading the question. The end of the question tells you the beginning. So 10.2 grams of water. So how many liters of oxygen are required to form 10.2 grams of water? So we're going to have to start with 10.2 grams of water. So in order to use, so first I recognize I'm at STP. So then I realize, okay, I can use my 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters as a conversion factor. So I need to get to moles if I'm going to use this relationship, but I have grams. So I'm going to start, and remember what I said, the middle part here is conversion factors or equations. It's going to get us to where we want to go. So I'm going to start with 10.2 grams of water, H2O, water vapor. And I'm going to start with conversion. I need to convert this to moles, so I'm going to have to use the molar mass of water, convert grams to moles. So that's going to be about 18, it's going to be 18.016 moles of H2O. And that, I'm sorry, that's going to be grams. Grams of H2O over 1 mole of H2O. So grams of water cancel out. And then we have moles. Now I can use the mole ratio, now I can use the molar volume to convert and use that as a conversion factor. So, so moles of water is going to go on the bottom. So moles, 1 mole of H2O is going to, before I do that though, I'm going to use the mole ratio. I was right the first time. I'm going to use the mole ratio to convert from water vapor to oxygen because they're asking for oxygen, not water. So I'm going to convert using the mole ratio. So the mole ratio from water to oxygen is 2 to 1. So we have 2 moles of water on the bottom and 1 mole of oxygen on top. So moles of water cancels out. And now I have moles of oxygen. Now I can use the molar volume. So now I'm going to put 1 mole of oxygen on the bottom, and I'm going to put 22.4 liters of oxygen at the top. Moles of water or moles of oxygen cancel out. Now I have liters of oxygen, liters of oxygen is what they're asking for. I am done with the problem, and now all I need to do is calculate using my calculator. So I'm going to take 10.2 times 1 times 1 times 22.4 divided by 18.016 divided by 2 equals, and I get 6.3410 liters of oxygen. Now I need to figure out how many sig figs I'm allowed to keep. So I have, this is an exact relationship, so that's an infinite number of sig figs. 22.4 is a measure, that's liters to moles, that's a measure. That's 5 sig figs, this is 3, so the least number is 3. So I'm only allowed to keep up to here. I don't need to round the 4 because the 1 is less than 5. So that would be my final answer for liters of oxygen formed. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. Hit the like button or the like bell. Subscribe to the channel. And make a comment in the comment section and let me know how I'm doing. And let me know if there's anything else you want me to go over. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.